It's just after 1:30 in the PM. The snow is continuing with the wind. Blizzard warning is still on. Right here, we're helping some neighbors get out. We just dug out the snow here, and we're seeing if we can get any traction on this thing. We got a little slide going on. Oh, yesterday, 72 degrees, maybe warmer. Not a cloud in sight. And then today we wake up to how many inches? Maybe about a foot. Maybe more than that. So we'll probably get more than expected. I'm not happy about it though. That's because it's coming down at a rate of about 2 to 3 inches per hour. It's been snowing for the last 5 hours. You can do the math on that. That's a lot to dig out. This is the one. Yeah, I think you have to back her up and do her one more time. Okay, how you doing now? Go, 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 go!